message for the following counties in Minnesota, Clay and Norman, and the following counties in North Dakota, Cass, Steele and Trill. The NOAA's National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 6 a.m. Sunday to midnight Central Standard Time Sunday night. The blizzard watch is no longer in effect. Timing: a cold front will move through the region Sunday morning, bringing strong northwest winds. Several inches of snow will occur ahead of this feature, setting the stage for possible ground blizzard conditions. Winds northwest 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour. Visibility near zero at times. Widespread whiteout conditions are possible. Note: this blizzard has the potential to be the most severe of the season. This could be a life-threatening situation if stranded. Snow accumulations 2 to 4 inches ahead of the cold front this evening into tonight. Other impacts: wind chill values may approach 50 below zero by Sunday evening. These dangerous wind chills may continue through Monday night. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.